What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome. I am the Crypto Crow, and I wanted to do a brief video today, not about anything particular as it's related to crypto or AI for that matter. I wanted to kind of give you a heads up as to what's going to be changing on this channel. I've been going live now for quite a while, randomly, different times, talking about different things, often rambling with thoughts and ideas and things as they come to mind. And that's been helpful to some, and some of you really seem to enjoy that. But I really want to get back to doing more instructional videos, more dives into other assets. I do plan on going into AI automation, guides on how to do things with AI. And in order to do that, I have to do that as pre-recorded and edited videos. And I'm going to start doing that. And honestly, I want to get on a schedule where every day at a specific time, you can expect a new video from this channel. There are so many things that I have slacked on and gotten lazy with over the years. And I think it's time to change that now. I want to be valuable, not just to you, but to myself. And in doing that, I need to do more than just share my opinions on things like a crypto pundit or anyone we see on the news. I want to offer more than that on this channel moving forward. So this week, I'm going to be just kind of gathering my systems, gathering my thoughts, my plans, laying out a framework for how I want to go about doing this. And starting next week, I expect to start seeing a daily video that's well thought out, well structured. Some of them may even be scripted, because I find when I write, it's a lot easier for me to be specific and get my thoughts out in an organized way if I write it and read it. Some of you like it, some of you don't. Again, I'm never going to be able to please anyone, or everyone, I should say, on this channel. And then maybe I'll start going live once a week on a weekend or a Sunday evening or something like that, so that we can just kind of talk and do Q&A and things. I feel like I used to offer a lot more value on this channel, and over the last years, especially since I would say 2021, life has been getting more and more difficult. Things have been more challenging. It's been more difficult to get inspired to put in the time. So many things have happened to this channel over the years that, my conspiracy tinfoil hat has run rampant with why this has happened, why that's happened. I think the reality of it is I've just not really been good. I mean, plain and simple. My schedule has been all over the place. YouTube really likes a regimen, a structured delivery, a profile. There are just a lot of things that YouTube really likes to establish trust, so that it knows when it's suggesting somebody, they're gonna be there tomorrow, and the content is going to be good and engaging. Another side that's been really frustrating with YouTube is the amount of spam in the comments related to anything. There are a lot of bot trolls and a lot of bot scammers always pushing like a new trashy coin of the day. That stuff gets really frustrating. I've seen it on a lot of other channels. Many of us to do different things over the years, both with YouTube and others, to try and remedy that, and it's just not allowed. They don't want anybody getting rid of it. And the tools that can help with it are very limiting. I mean, it's very manual, very laborious to get rid of all the spam comments. It's kind of disgusting, but unfortunately, there's just not much we're empowered to do about it. So you just kind of have to play the game the way it's meant to be played, I guess, in the eyes of those who feel even scammers and spammers have rights. There's so many things that really kind of weigh you down when you're trying to deliver quality content and build engagement and things. And it's really difficult for people to want to be engaged in your content if A, it's not that good, B, it's not very scheduled or structured, and C, everything that they could post or comment is going to be drowned out by spam. So understand that I know that, and I'm going to address as much of that moving forward as possible. Knowing that, Right now, I just built a 200-page game design document about to clone another game in a different genre, or not genre, a different theme in atmosphere. I'm going to see if I can build this game. If I can build this game, I'm going to teach you guys how to do what I'm doing, especially if there's success that I can find in that. I am doing so many things. Moonrunner, I just got word that my licensing system now works. You can go pick up an alpha license for $100 and test it and use it, and it's yours for life. The price is going to go up as things get better, but I'm going to start doing content showing people how to use it, creating strategies, sharing strategies, etc. And I want this to be a community thing. There are a lot of things that I've built, Crow Score, there are a lot of things that I've built that I want everyone to use and get use out of, but I know that I kind of have to teach everyone the best ways of using it, things to do, and I haven't really done any of that. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet here and just let everybody know that a lot of things are going to be changing starting next week. And any ideas that you have on things that you would like me to cover, things that you would like me to do, maybe a weekly segment or a weekly video on, let me know in the comments. I'm going to, when I publish this video, I'm going to save it. I'm going to check it every day, and I'm going to be taking notes on all of the comments. Hey Crow, you've been sucking for so long now, I didn't want to say anything. Here's what you could do to get better. Bring it. Like, whatever it is that you have to say about what I've been doing, let me know how I can get better for you, and I definitely plan on doing exactly that. And I do plan on covering things outside of the Cardano ecosystem, and not because I'm leaving the Cardano ecosystem or I'm mad at Cardano or I'm pissed off at Charles or anything like that. I just want to become more well-rounded. And I'll tell you one funny reason why. If you haven't done this yet, I highly encourage you to go to Grok and tell Grok that you want him to give you a no holds barred roast about yourself. Maybe someday I'll share mine. It was both hilarious and let's just say it invoked some change. I can't even put what Grok said to me in words. It was both alarming and funny at the same time, and it really put things into perspective about how I've been going about things for years. And I know it's meant to just like get your goat and to poke fun at you and things like that, but there's often a lot of truth to every joke, right? So it is what it is, but I know that I want to get better. I want to get better for all of you. So many of you have been here with me since 2017, and you're still logging in, watching, learning, offering your advice and your words and your support. And I just think it's time I start giving back in new ways. So let me know in the comments and what ways those can be, and I'm definitely going to start putting them into my plans moving forward. And until next time, grow your coins, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you.